Good morning, first piece students. Now, today we are going to the next problem, fifth problem, fourth problem in exercise 7.3. Fourth problem. Find the number of four-digit numbers. Okay. Find the number of four-digit numbers. Four-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If no digit is repeated, no digit is repeated. So repetition not allowed. So repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. How many of these will be even? First two four-digit numbers. So first one, four-digit numbers. Four-digit number. So the total number of four-digit numbers are formula NPR. N is equal to how many? 5. 5p four-digit number. So 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial. So this is 5 factorial by 1. 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120. So 120 four-digit number. Next four-digit even number. Next question, four-digit even numbers. Four-digit even number means so first 1, 2, 3, 4 4 digits even number. So the unit place filled by only two numbers. This is 2 or 4. How many ways? 2 ways. Unit even number means the unit places is filled by only 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So in the given data, from the given data, only two, how many even numbers are there? 2, 4, only 2 ways. Okay. In the unit places already one digit is fixed. So this is remaining how many ways? 4 ways. Totally 5 digit. Already one digit was fixed. So remaining 4, 3, 2. Okay. So total number of four-digit even numbers. Four-digit even number. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 2, 6, 24, 48. In 124 digit number, totally even numbers, so odd numbers, so total 120 digit. In 120 digits, only even numbers are 48 only. Only 48 even numbers only. Okay, clear? These two questions are asking. Next, fifth problem. Fifth problem. From a committee of 8 persons, is equal to 8. From a committee of 8 persons. 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? In 8 members, totally committee members are 8 committee members are there. In 8 committee members, we have to select one chairman and vice chairman. The 2 members are selected. 2 members are selected. 2 members are selected means how many? 2 members, one vice president, one was chairman and one vice chairman. So 2 members. So the total arrangements are 8p2. 8p2 is equal to 8 factorial by 8 minus 2. 8 into 7 equal to 56. Okay, clear? In the total 8 persons, so arranged in only 2 persons. Okay, already in 8 persons, for example 2 members means, for example this is 2 ways. This is chairman, this is vice chairman. So vice chairman, so how many members are eligible persons? How many eligible persons are there? Vice chairman, 8 persons are eligible persons. Okay, in the total 8 members in committee, in 8 committee, vice chairman, 2 members are will select. So the first of all chairman, for example chairman, in 8 persons also we have to eligible for chairman. So already one eligible for chairman, so 8 persons are eligible for chairman. So in 8 persons, 1 person selected chairman. So remaining how many persons? 7 persons. In 7 persons, 7 members eligible to vice chairman, because already 1 person chairman, remaining 7 persons are eligible for vice chairman. So 8 into 7, 56 ways. Okay, clear? Next, sixth problem. Find n. Find n if n minus 1 p3 is to n p4. n minus 1 p3 is to n p4 is equal to 1:9. This is the given data. n minus 1 p3 is to n p4 is equal to 1:9. Find n value. Okay, clear? Listen carefully. So given n minus 1 p3 by a is to b is equal to what? A by b. n minus p3 by n p4 is equal to 1/9. So next, n minus 1 p3. What is the NPR formula? NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is the formula of NPR. So NPR here, n is equal to what? N minus 1. N factorial by n minus 1 factorial by n minus r. N is equal to n minus 1, r is 3. n minus r. n minus 1 minus 3 factorial by total by big by np4 n factorial by n minus 4 factorial is equal to 1/9. So that implies n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 3 is equal to n minus 4 factorial. This is reverse by, means this is n minus 1 factorial by this is n factorial. N factorial is equal to what? N into n minus 1 factorial is equal to 1/9. The n1 factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Totally n minus 1 factorial cancel, and n minus 1 and n minus 1 cancel. This is finally 1/n is equal to 1/9. So n is equal to what? 9. N is equal to 9. Okay, clear? Next problem, seventh problem. Seventh problem, find R. Find R. If first one is 5PR is equal to 2 into 6PR minus 1. First one, 5PR is equal to 2 into 6PR minus 1. Second one is 5PR is equal to 6PR minus 1. Same. Difference is yes, 2 into here. Same. So, first one I will do. Second problem, homework. That is the first problem, first bit solution. Given 5PR is equal to 2 into 6PR minus 1. 5PR is equal to what? 5 factorial by 5 minus R factorial. Formula, NPR formula. 5 factorial by 5 minus R factorial is equal to 2 into 6 factorial by 6 minus of R minus 1 factorial. NPR formula, n factorial by n minus R factorial. N is equal to 6, R is equal to R n minus R. So, here 5 factorial by 5 minus R factorial is equal to 2 into 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 factorial. 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 factorial. 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 factorial by 6 minus R. This is calculation. 6 minus R plus 1 factorial. 6 minus R minus into minus plus. 6 minus R plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 minus R factorial. 7 minus R factorial. So, e 5 factorial cancel. So, n factorial is equal to what? N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on. So, here minus 1 minus 7 minus R factorial is equal to 7 minus R factorial is equal to 7 minus R factorial is equal to 7 minus R into 7 minus R minus 1 into 7 minus R minus 2 factorial. N into decreasing by 1, n minus 1, decreasing by another one, n minus 2. So, 7 minus R, 7 minus minus 1, 7 minus R minus 2 factorial. So, that implies, this is explanation. So, clear? N factor, for example, the 7 minus R factor is taken n factor. N factor is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So, 1 by 5 minus R factorial is equal to 12 by 7 minus R factorial is equal to 7 minus R into 7 minus R minus 1, 6 minus R into 7 minus 2, 5 minus R factorial. If 5 minus R factorial cancel. So, cross multiplication. 7 minus R into 6 minus R is equal to how much? 12. Okay, clear. This is the n factor is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. N minus R factor is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So, multiply 7 into 6, 42, minus 7 minus 6, minus 13R plus R square is equal to 12. 42 minus 7R minus 6R minus 30 minus R into minus R plus R square is equal to, okay. So, this is R square minus 13r, r square minus 13, r square minus 13r, this 42 minus 12 plus 30 is equal to this one. So here r square minus 10r minus 3r plus 30 is equal to 0. Factors r into r minus 10 minus 3 into r minus 10 is equal to 0. R minus 3 into r minus 10 is equal to 0. So r is equal to 3 comma 10. So r is equal to 3 comma 10 means here n is equal to what? N is equal to 5 or 6. So NPR means what? NPR is equal to NPR 0 less than or equal to n. So here r is the equal to n or less than n, not greater than n. So here this is r not equal to 10 because this is 10 is 5 greater than 10. So r is always equal to n or less than n, not greater than n. Here n is equal to what? Finally this is 5, 6. So 10 means above 5 and above 10. This is not exist. Negative factor is not defined. One factor is equal to 1. So minus 1 factor is not defined. So finally in the NPR, so what is the range of r? 0 less than or equal to n. So finally r is equal to 3. This is r is equal to 3. Clear? This one. So second problem also same as it is, same second problem with remove 2, same as it is. Okay, clear? Next one. In the eighth problem, very important. Eighth problem, very important. How many words? Eighth problem. How many words? How many words? With or without meaning. Meaning means meaning not important. With or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word. All the letters of the word equation, given word. What is the given word equation? EQUATION, equation. Using each letter exactly once. Using each letter exactly one means repetition is not allowed. So in the E how many times? E one time, Q one time, U one time, A one time, T, I, different, all are different letters. So N is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. N is equal to 8. So E, no E, repetition. Q, only one Q. U, 1. A also 1. T, 1. I, 1, O, 1, N, 1, all are different. The letters all are different. The letters all are different. Different means single time. So the number of words, the total number of words are 8 factorial. 8 factorial by repetition. There is no same kind of elements. All are different letters. There is no repetition elements. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial by 1 E, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. So all are different. E once. 1 E, 1 Q, 1 U, 1 A, 1 T, 1 I, 1 O and 1 N. So the answer is 8 factorial. 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So what is the 8 factor answer? So 630, 120, 120, 360, 720, 720 into 7, 0, 7 4s 14, 5040 into 8, 0, 32, 40. So 40,320. They all letters are different element, different letter. So all are 1 time. So 1 factor is equal to 1 now. So 8 factorial. So 7.38 problem. $43.20. Okay, clear? Is tomorrow, don't missing. Okay, tomorrow very important questions. So all are this is this type of P like terms. So this type problems. So all are very important 5 marks question tomorrow. Don't miss it. Okay, so I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.